still under construction. But we're gonna go inside and see what's up. So, see you in a bit. Here we are at the magical Holiday Inn Boardwalk Casino, where who's appearing but none other than, no, I don't know, $2.49 ham and egg steak. Easy as 1, 2, 3. $1.21, $2 craps, $3 let it ride. Hey, they have $1 blackjack here, huh? Yeah?
Well, if you win the pool, come back and play some $1 blackjack.
Yeah, but all I'm gonna win is $5, even if they win, right?
Well,
Here's a sign, free aspirin and tender sympathy.